It's later than I meant it to be, and I've got some strange lighting on this, but anyway, we'll get on with it. So while I'm waiting for the sterling to re-glue yet again, particularly the back rear turret, I've come to this to see how the milliput is drying, and it's drying quite well. I have, and it's sticking. I thought it was drier than that. I have put blocks in around there to suggest we've adapted, which we have, to suggest that this is scraping away. This is a bit of architecture that's been messed with many times over. I've put a ramp there based on some photographs and drawings and some places I visited recently. A couple of cathedrals had bits like this, and I'm trying to think, because I've been to a whole bunch of them. Might be St Albans is one. Anyway, and then chasing some work up there, do some blocks which they'll all tidy up over time. So that's what I've been doing. The other thing is, and I might have to move my light for this, otherwise everything's going to fall over, because this is oddly balanced. But anyway, forgive the lack of light. I'm just going to press a magic button. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, heavens above. That was great TV, wasn't it? Anyway, need a crucifix, and I've been moving this around, and listen. There's things in there. I seem to have been using this as a toy box or something, and thankfully I left that side free, and I looked inside. Probably can't see. Well, there's nothing there, which means Mini Meltdown has been poking things through these open windows. Trouble is, I have glued that roof, so let's see what we can discover. Oh, I've got that side. What have we got? Oh, little windows. Well, at least it's thematic. Let's get them out. There we go. So now I've got to re-glue all that. What's he been up to? Conceptual man. Alright, more later. Thank you for watching. This was one of the worst, really, wasn't it? Never mind. When I say ramp, I suppose I mean slope. And it would be of beaten earth usually, which sounds odd. There's quite a lot of it about. I think it's Chatsworth House in Derbyshire, big one. Elizabethan. Hardwick, possibly. Oh God, it's late at night, I can't remember. Anyway, whacking great one up on a hill overlooking the M1, and it is a wonderful thing. And this I have put the model away, so I'm actually filming my own film rather than dig it out again. Anyway, that's why my arm flew by. Anyway, that house, whatever one it is, Elizabethan, it's got a fantastic, gigantic gallery upstairs. So this is at least, you know, a floor up and very big, and the whole of the floor is made of beaten earth and horsehair, and it's still standing to this day. There was so much of that around at one time. It's harder to find now, but it could be used for all sorts. And so that's what we've got on this one. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll try and get back to the real thing rather than film my own film. It's getting surreal now, isn't it? This has got to be one of the worst I've ever done. Well, I'm going to do it anyway, I don't care. And then I'll explain why everything's rotting, why we're in such decadence. The decay is extraordinary. Maybe save that one up for a day or two.